धुरंधर में अक्षय का डांस तो वायरल हुआ ही और साथ साथ अब इस गाने पर हर कोई थिरक रहा है। veteran actor Ranjit grooves on Akshay Khanna's Facelite granddaughter's birthday. आपको बता दें, veteran actor रंजीत को देखा गया grooving to the viral song Faisla from the blockbuster film Dhurandhar at his granddaughter's Dia's birthday bash. The 6-year-old inspired the actor to dance, a moment which he shared on Instagram, encouraging others to stay fit by dancing with children. धुरंधर फीवर हर किसी पर सर चढ़कर बोल रहा है. From breaking box office records to giving Gen Z an avatar of Akshay Khanna to obsess over. However, Akshay Khanna in Dhurandhar and his iconic dance on Faisla are being loved not just by Gen Z but people of all ages. Recently even veteran actor Ranjit was seen grooving to the beats of Faisla by Flipperacci and the video is going viral. ये मौका था रंजीत की ग्रैंड-डॉटर दिया का बर्थडे का और साथ साथ धुरंधर के गाने ने तो पूरा सेलिब्रेशन ही अच्छा कर दिया. At the birthday bash of the 6-year-old, Ranjit was seen vibing and grooving to the popular track by Flipperacci. इस वीडियो को शेयर करते हुए रंजीत ने लिखा, लड़कियां तो मुझे नचाती ही रहती हैं. अब देखो मेरी 6 साल की ग्रैंड-डॉटर दिया ने क्रेजी बनाकर अपने बर्थडे पे डांस कराया and I loved it. आप लोग भी बच्चों के साथ ऐसा ही करो, फिट रहोगे. Ranjit rocked a comfy, stylish vibe in a loose, full-length olive green kurta. He paired it with the printed headscarf, giving a bohemian touch. Meanwhile, work front पर बात करें तो रंजीत was last seen in Houseful 5. इस फिल्म में अक्षय कुमार, अभिषेक बच्चन, रितेश देशमुख और संजय दत्त नजर आए थे. तो वहीं पर आपको बता दें, रणवीर सिंह की धुरंधर बॉक्स ऑफिस पर कई रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़ चुकी है और सूत्रों की माने तो 10 दिन में लगभग इस फिल्म ने 350 करोड़ रुपए की कमाई की है.
Jai Bhanushali and Miesha Iyer are once again making headlines, and this time it's because of a viral concert video. The two, who were seen together as contestants on Bigg Boss 15, were spotted enjoying a live concert, sparking fresh dating rumors online. In the viral clip, Jai Bhanushali is seen standing behind Miesha Iyer as the duo enjoys the music. Their comfortable body language and chemistry caught everyone's attention. Soon after, an Instagram portal shared the video and claimed that Jai and Miesha are dating each other. The post quickly went viral, especially amid ongoing reports about Jai's alleged divorce from his wife, Mahi Veej. However, the rumors didn't go down well with Aarti Singh. The actress strongly reacted to the post and slammed the dating claims in the comments section. She wrote, "You guys write anything, she is his Rakhi's sister, check your facts." For those unaware, Miesha Iyer was previously in a relationship with Ishan Sehgal. The two started dating during their journey on Bigg Boss 15, but their relationship ended just a few weeks after the show concluded. Jai Bhanushali, meanwhile, has been married to Mahi Veej since 2010. The couple shares 3 children together. Recently, several reports suggested that Jai and Mahi are heading for a divorce. However, neither Jai nor Mahi has confirmed these claims. Mahi Veej had earlier addressed the divorce rumors and dismissed them strongly. She said, "Please do not believe any news until I say it. Please respect our privacy, our children's, our families, and our parents' privacy. Please leave us alone. If we ever feel the need to share something, we will. Jai is my family, and he will always be my family. He is a wonderful father to my children and a wonderful human being. On the professional front, Jai Bhanushali is currently seen playing Shivendra in the TV show Hum Rahe Na Rahe Hum alongside Tina Datta. Mahi Veej recently made her television comeback with Seher Hone Ko Hai, co-starring Parth Santhan and debutant Rishita Kothari. As rumors continue to swirl, fans are now waiting for clarity and hoping for privacy to be respected. Bollywood superstar Ranveer Singh's latest film, Dhurandhar, is making waves at the box office. Released on 5th December, the film is set to cross an impressive 500 crore rupees mark within just 10 days. Despite the massive success, Ranveer kept a low profile, avoiding interviews and public comments until now. Days after the blockbuster's success, Ranveer finally broke his silence with a cryptic and meaningful message shared on his Instagram story. He posted a dialogue from Dhurandhar, originally said by a Madhavan's character. किस्मत की एक बहुत खूबसूरत आदत है कि वो वक्त आने पर बदलती है, लेकिन फिलहाल नजर और सब्र. This translates to, fate has a very beautiful habit that it changes when the right time comes. But for now, watch and patience. Ranveer's words reflect the unpredictable journey of success in the film industry. It's a humble reminder to stay patient, hopeful, and trust the process, especially during the ups and downs actors and filmmakers face. Dhurandhar stars Ranveer Singh alongside Sara Arjun, whose pairing has sparked a lot of conversations. The on-screen couple has a significant 20-year age gap, which some viewers question. But the film's casting director, Mukesh Chhabra, explained that this age difference was necessary for the story. He revealed that Ranveer's character is trying to trap Sara's character, making the age gap important to the plot. Mukesh also promised that Dhurandhar Part 2, which will release on 19th March 2026, will answer many of these questions and clear up any doubts. The film's box office performance has been record-breaking, even surpassing collections of famous stars like Rajinikanth, Allu Arjun, and Prabhas. Despite controversies and debates, Dhurandhar shows how Indian audiences are embracing fresh storytelling and unconventional casting choices. As the film's success continues to grow, fans are celebrating not just the numbers but also the story behind the movie and the thoughtful messages from Ranveer Singh. His words remind us all, sometimes it's about trusting fate and patiently waiting for the right moment to shine. Stay tuned for more updates on Dhurandhar and its much-anticipated sequel.
So that's my mother, who now takes her place alongside Clark Gable and Marlon Brando. Well, we're celebrating 40 years anniversary for AFI, and they've picked 11 films that represent the span of those 40 years, and some great films. I mean, Spartacus and One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, Bonnie and Clyde, Star Wars, Sound of Music, Shawshank Redemption. And my film, When Harry Met Sally, it's very exciting to be included with all those other great films.
I'm curious what it felt like over those years to, have this masterpiece, which is considered a masterpiece. All those things you mentioned, film registry, this, Oxford Dictionary, but not have the rights to it.
I know, and that was what was weird, because this is going to sound crazy, but we had a deal. Our deal was we owned 40% of the profits. So in 40 years you had, the film comes out, there's video cassettes, there's DVDs, there's foreign sales, Criterion, every Blu-ray, whatever. Each one of us, and we had split up 40% of the profits. I'm not exaggerating. Each one of us made 82 cents. Okay, so Billy sings as good as Sinatra, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, he can sword fight almost as good as Douglas Fairbanks Jr. Pretty good. And, Scorsese, he studied with Scorsese at NYU, so he learned how to make film, so, he deserves it.
So there you go.
Yeah, no, he's an amazing talent. Billy, when you think about all his gifts, I mean, he's hosted the Oscars a bunch of times, and they're the best Oscar shows ever. Great stand-up, great writer, great director, great actor, and a good ball player.
And